geometric figures, parallel lines. Let's learn to construct parallel lines PQ and RS using a compass and a ruler. We start by drawing a line using a ruler. Mark the endpoints of line segment PQ as shown. We also mark a point R of the line as shown. Now we place the point of the compass at R with a width that is little beyond the line segment PQ as shown. We draw an arc from the right of point R in such a way that it cuts the line segment PQ at 2 points. Label the left point J. Now, without changing the width of the compass, we move the point of the compass to point J and draw an arc that cuts across PQ. We label this point E. Using the same width, we move the point of the compass to point E to draw an arc intersecting the large arc to the right of R as shown. Label this intersection point as S. We can now use a ruler to draw a straight line passing through the points R and S. This line RS is parallel to line PQ. We can verify this by sliding a ruler along the two lines.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.